I would definitely recommend Envirobond to contractors. I myself, working in the industry, being a landscaper, I've also used it for many years. I'm very familiar with it, and it's really held true over a lot of the projects I've done.
Envirobond's a fantastic product. It fills the void where a lot of other products leave off.
I have recommended this product to other landscape contractors in my area.
I'd certainly recommend Envirobond to other contractors. I think it's a great choice and a great quality.
And the product itself is a high quality product. We've had nothing but success implementing the product into our company and out to our customers.
We've been actively working with Envirobond for about 2 years, and now actually Envirobond itself has become part of our curriculum. So that's actually part of what I teach.
If I was going to recommend a sand to anybody on the market, especially a homeowner who's going to try and do it themselves, I tell them use the Envirobond. It's going to be the easiest one for you to work with if you've never used it before.
Yeah, we do recommend Envirobond to a lot of our clients, especially in that for the DIYers.
When you're competitive, you only have time to do things once, not twice, so stick with the best and do it one time and do it right with Envirobond.